Number 1.
1997 Toyota Tacoma, price $7,500, finished in a sleek black exterior with a clean blue interior, offering a classic and durable design. It is powered by a reliable 2.4-liter 2RZFE petrol engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission, and has been driven for 230,000 miles. The vehicle benefits from meticulous maintenance throughout its life. It features ice-cold air conditioning, no fluid leaks, and a recently refreshed exterior paint. The suspension has been updated with shocks that are less than 1 year old, while the Ironman RB12 tires, 225/60 or 18, have under 1,000 miles of use, ensuring solid road performance. Additional features include factory Toyota bedliner protection, LED headlights for improved visibility, and all door and window seals that remain in like new condition. The interior is in excellent shape and is complemented by a Panasonic AM/FM CD radio for entertainment.
Number 2.
1994 Chevrolet Silverado 2500, price $10,000, that has been driven approximately 138,000 miles and is powered by a reliable 5.7L petrol engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission. Finished in a clean white exterior with a gray interior, it also features an extended cab configuration. The truck runs and drives great, with a strong engine and a smooth shifting transmission. Its 4x4 system functions properly, making it suitable for various driving conditions. Both the air conditioning and heating systems are in good working order, providing comfort in different climates. The Silverado comes with a clean title and is in clean condition both inside and out. The interior has been kept in very good shape with no rips, reflecting careful ownership. It also includes the original owner's manuals, a matching topper, and has been consistently well maintained.
Number 3.
1998 GMC C/K1500, price $9,777, is a well-maintained pickup that comes with a clean title and no accident record, highlighting its careful ownership. Finished in a brown exterior with a beige interior, it carries a timeless and practical appearance. The truck has covered 162,000 miles and is equipped with a 5.0L V8 petrol engine paired with an automatic transmission, delivering reliable performance suited for everyday driving and light-duty tasks. This vehicle is set to undergo a complete interior and exterior detailing, which will further improve its overall presentation. With its combination of solid mileage, dependable drivetrain, and well-kept condition, this GMC pickup offers a balanced mix of classic style and usability.
Number 4.
1990 GMC Sierra 2500, price $10,000, it has been driven approximately 120,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission, running on petrol. It features a blue exterior paired with a black interior that remains in good condition. The body itself is also in solid shape. The truck has been well maintained and recently updated with several key improvements, including a new catalytic converter and a completely refreshed suspension system both in the front and rear, contributing to a smoother and more stable ride. It currently holds a valid smog certification and is reported to have no oil leaks at all. Additional features include a trailer hitch for towing capability, a toolbox for added utility, and a set of great condition tires ready for the road.
Inside, the truck has been upgraded with Apple CarPlay and an installed amplifier, enhancing the overall driving and entertainment experience. Number 5.
1992 Chevrolet 2500, price $7,500, presented in a blue exterior with a matching blue interior, maintaining a clean and cohesive look. It is powered by a 5.7L V8 engine running on petrol and paired with an automatic transmission, configured as a 2WD truck. With 133,000 miles on the odometer, it reflects moderate use for its age while still offering dependable performance. The truck comes with a clean title and is reported to run and drive great. The engine has recently been gone through, indicating that important mechanical components have been inspected or refreshed. Additionally, the body and frame are free from rust, which is a significant advantage for a vehicle of this era. Overall, this Chevrolet 2500 offers a solid and well-maintained platform for anyone seeking a reliable classic truck with V8 power.
Number 6.
2001 Ford F-150, price $4,850. It is powered by a strong 5.4L V8 petrol engine paired with an automatic transmission and configured as a 2WD crew cab with 4 full doors. With 149,000 miles on the odometer, the truck remains dependable and runs well. It features a cold air conditioning system, an aftermarket touchscreen radio for modern convenience, and good tires that are ready for the road. The body is considered clean for its age. As expected for an older vehicle, there are some imperfections.
The driver's seat is torn, and the interior shows general wear.
While it is not a perfect truck, it has been priced accordingly and offers solid value for someone looking for a dependable and functional pickup.
Number 7.
1999 Dodge Ram 2500, price $7,000, powered by the well-known 5.9L Cummins diesel engine paired with an automatic transmission and a 4x4 drivetrain, making it well-suited for heavy-duty work and off-road conditions. With approximately 350,000 miles on the odometer, the engine is reported to have no blow-by, and the transmission shifts smoothly. It is equipped with both cold air conditioning and functional heating. Additional features include an edge programmer for performance tuning, a straight pipe exhaust setup, and newly installed batteries. While the body shows rust, it remains a dependable and capable truck, living up to the phrase rusty but trusty.
Overall, this Ram 2500 would make an excellent choice for a farm or work truck. Number 8.
1992 Ford F-150, price $5,000, powered by a 5.0L gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission, and it has been driven approximately 200,000 miles. The engine was rebuilt around 3 to 4 years ago, helping to extend its usability, and the air conditioning system has been fully refreshed with all new components. The truck starts and runs, making it a functional vehicle for daily use or as a project. The hood and roof show faded paint, reflecting its age. The odometer has stopped working due to damage, so the exact mileage is no longer increasing or verifiable. Additionally, the driver's seat is torn and may need repair or replacement. Overall, this F-150 offers a solid base with a rebuilt engine and updated AC system, though it would benefit from some cosmetic and interior attention.
Number 9.
1998 Ford F-150, price $2,999, features a red exterior paired with a clean gray interior, offering a classic and well-kept appearance. It is powered by a Triton V8 engine running on petrol and comes with an automatic transmission. With 196,000 miles on the odometer, the engine runs smoothly and the transmission shifts nicely, making it a reliable option for daily use or light-duty work. It is equipped with running boards for easier access, a tow package for added utility, and a Pioneer CD player for in-cabin entertainment. The interior is in nice condition, and the tires are also reported to be in good shape, contributing to its overall usability. Overall, this F-150 presents itself as a solid and dependable pickup with practical features, making it a good choice for those looking for a functional truck with V8 performance.
Number 10.
1995 Toyota Tacoma, price $4,500, has been driven 226,000 miles and features a manual transmission, finished in a gray exterior with a matching gray interior, and powered by a petrol engine. Despite its mileage, the truck is reported to run like new and remains in solid working condition. It comes equipped with cold air conditioning, a good quality stereo system, power steering, and power brakes, all of which are functioning properly. The vehicle also has great tires and a new battery, contributing to its reliable performance. It has never been involved in an accident and delivers an estimated fuel efficiency of around 30 miles per gallon, making it a practical choice for daily use or light-duty work. Overall, this Tacoma offers dependable performance with strong mechanical condition and useful features.